Morning, everyone. I'm Krista Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with a market minute for Thursday, April 17th. We're right around midday trading right now, and we have some interesting things happening in the market right now. So first up, as I have been saying, earnings season is fully underway, and a lot of what we're going to be seeing in the markets going forward is really going to be related to corporate and earnings headlines. We had this yesterday with NVIDIA, and today is no different, but today it is all about UnitedHealthcare. That company right now, and you can actually see the stock on ETF.com. We also show you stocks. It is down over 22%. Now, why? In their earnings call, they missed big on economist and analyst expectations. And the CEO said that future revenue and future forecasts were going to be lower than had been previously reported because of rising medical costs. And that is causing that stock to absolutely tank. Here's the thing. UnitedHealthcare is a major component of an index like the Dow. And so we have the Dow in the red right now. Taking a look at DIA, that is the SPY Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. It is in the red, down over 1%. But here's what's really interesting. We are seeing other indexes rising today. So taking a look over at SPY, again, that is the SPY S&P 500 ETF. It is in the green, up about 0.5 percentage point. And then if I want to pull up QQQ, which pretty much mirrors the NASDAQ, it is also in the green right now, hovering still about flatline, as we see investors kind of piling back into some of those tech trades after a major sell-off just yesterday. We also have some healthcare ETFs that we can look at right now. And so that is going to be XLV. That's the Healthcare Select Sector Spider Fund. It is down by 0.25 percentage point. Again, really dragged down by the corporate earnings from UnitedHealthcare. Again, this is going to be the story that we are going to see over the next couple of weeks as earnings season really marches on. Investors are going to be paying close attention to what companies are saying, not only about the most previous quarter that they are reporting on, but really where those forecasts are going in the future. Really dragged down by the corporate. As we have the Trump trade war really kind of getting underway, a lot of investors are going to want to hear from these companies about how it's impacting them currently and how they anticipate their revenue to be impacted in the future. And as a result, you are going to see sectors and certain ETFs that are really heavily allocated to certain companies really start to move up and down based on those corporate earnings. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to ETF.com, as again, we will keep you updated all throughout this earnings season on what is happening, how it's going to be impacting the markets, and of course, as always, your investment portfolio.